How to fix audio and video play and pause automatically on Windows. So if you want to fix audio and video play and pause automatically on your Windows, then what you need to do is first you need to simply run the Troubleshooter. So first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with the left side and then you need to search for Troubleshooter. You'll have Troubleshoot settings. You need to open up other Troubleshooters. Now under other Troubleshooters, you just need to simply go with the audio. And under audio, you need to go with the right side and you need to run the Troubleshooter for audio. And if you have the video Troubleshooter, then you just need to simply go with video and you need to go with run under your audio and your video Troubleshoot. And if you have hardware and devices Troubleshooter, then you just need to simply go with hardware and devices and you need to right click on it and then go with run, or you just need to simply go with run under the hardware and devices Troubleshooter. Once you've run the troubleshooters, then your problem might be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then you need to turn off the Bluetooth of your system. So you just need to simply go with your control center. And if you've turned on the Bluetooth, then you just need to simply go and turn it off. Once you turn it off, then your problem might be fixed. But even after turning off the Bluetooth of your system, it doesn't fix your problem. Then you need to just right click on your Windows and go with the device manager. Once you're under device manager, you need to go with batteries and go with the first, which is Microsoft AC adapter. Right click on it, go with properties, go with the driver section and go with update driver and search automatically for drivers. And once you've updated your drivers, then you just need to simply go back and your problem may be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just restart your device and that's it. That's how you can fix your audio and video play and pause automatically on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.